Hi everyone, today we'll disassemble and fully test a three-way valve with a servo motor from a gas boiler. Let's take a closer look. This component is responsible for switching the water flow inside the boiler. I'm removing 4 screws to separate the hydraulic part from the servo motor and gearbox. Here's the inside of the hydraulic section. You can see water residue. And this is the drive mechanism with the ball that redirects the flow. The ball should rotate freely, and as you can see, it moves easily. Now let's test the electrical part using a multimeter. This servo has a 3-wire control, 1 common wire and 2 control wires. First, I'm measuring the resistance of the first coil. Probes go to the common and first control pin. The reading is about 15.3 kilo ohms. That means the coil is intact. Next, the second coil, common plus the second control pin. It shows 0 ohms, which is normal, it's currently out of circuit. So both coils are fine. Now let's power it up. I'll connect 220 volts AC to the right coil. Power on, the shaft rotates 180 degrees and stops. That's the internal limit switch cutting power. It reached its end position. The readings swap. Now this coil is 0 ohms and the other is back to 15.3 kilo ohms. Powering again, it rotates back 180 degrees until the click, and again the readings swap. Now I'll switch to the other control contact. Important, if it doesn't fully reach the end position, water can flow in both directions. Here's how to test it without a multimeter. Just use 220 volts AC. If it moves 180 degrees each way, it's fine. First coil moves to one end, second coil moves back to start. Test passed. Now I'll clean it and reassemble. Seal ring back in place, both parts joined. Four screws tightened, done. The valve is fully functional and ready for installation. Thanks a lot for watching.